Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw.
Tatay, ang dami-dami mo. Yung card, get well soon card. Ayan. Wow. Get well soon tatay ko mo. Lolo, get well soon lolo.
Magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, ulan ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay
Ano tatay? Tatay phone. Bibili mo na kami.
Welcome back home.
Mag-festing.
kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay
Lolo, is feeding you?
mahalin ay
Wow, sarap naman yan.
ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw. Ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw. Ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. mahalin ay ikaw. Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw. Ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw. Ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ang sanhi ay ikaw, kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw. Ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay, upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay Ikaw ang bigay ng may upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon.
Ilang wala na!
It's arbel_n@yahoo.com and as in Nancy @yahoo.com.
Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay
Happy New Year! 1, 2, 3! Happy New Year! Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw
ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung may bukas mang tinatanaw, dahil may isang ikaw, kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man, upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y maipagpapalit. Ngayo't kailan may ikaw, ang lahat ng aking galaw, ikaw. Kulang ang magpakailan pa man upang bawat sandali ay upang mulit muli ay ang mahalin ay
Oh, ano? 7 not 7. 19. 19 years old then when I joined the military, Philippine military.
Dito ka! Ako'y, dito ka maupo ka dito. At ako'y, dyan ako. Makikinig ako sa story. I wanna listen. I wanna learn about your life.
About my life.
Yeah, your life.
I can tell it right now because I am drunk. Huh? Maybe I can cry at that time, in this time. Yeah. Sige. Sige. And now,
Let me
I was 19 years old then when I was joining military Philippine Constabulary. Armed Forces of the Philippines, right? Then after my training, I was dispatched in Holosulu. Then, at the time, I'm going to do my job. My
That time you told me
patrol.
you've been deployed in Mindanao.
Yeah,
That's Holosulu?
1974. 1974 then. I have a girlfriend in Mindanao. It is
Nanay?
I have a girlfriend in Mindanao. Her name is Jahara Abu Bakar.
You still remember her name? That's
Yeah, Jahara Abu Bakar.
Tatay.
Is he,
I was courting her for 2 months. Then
Nagbibidyo kayo!
Ha?
Nagbibidyo kayo!
I was courting her.
walang video.
Ako na video. Ba't mabibidyohan
I was courting her for
tatay?
2 months. Then after 2 months, she became a girlfriend. Then on the time, my friends in military, we have patrol. What we call in what you call in military. We have
Coast
a foot
Guard?
patrol.
Coast
Foot
Guard?
patrol. No, foot patrol.
Foot patrol.
That was some of our fellow men, paracols will go on what we call we go on recreation what on other words on that. We'll go on recreation,
Deployed.
foot patrol, recreation, and some will go on to the Philippines for vacation. And my friends come to me. Let's go with them. And we have a lot of women in Holo. I don't like to join with them because I have a girlfriend here in Membong Sulu.
How long you been with your girlfriend?
About 2 months.
2 months lang?
Yeah, 2 months lang.
What's her name again?
Jahara Abu Bakar.
Is she Muslim?
She is a Muslim. She's Jahara Abu Bakar. But on the time, I love her because I don't know her mother yet. I don't know her mother yet. Because so my friends in military, I denied her request to go with him to go to Sulu because there are a lot more women.
So they're asking you to go party with them.
to go, no party. No party. Yung manliligaw.
Yeah.
To court with them.
the
So
other lady.
I don't like. So my friend go with the other my man to Armen to go to Holo. But after 1 hours, they will get ambushed. 11 o'clock in the morning. It's about January after the year. Yung
1970, yeah.
1974.
1974.
After the New Year. After the New Year. After the New Year, they were ambushed. So, they are dead. They were all dead. My friends were dead. Only 2 persons. One lieutenant and the one enlisted man who survived.
Who survived?
Who survived. And
What
that
about,
is...
tell me about Nanay.
No.
How you met
No,
Nanay?
that's not...
That's not yet.
That's not yet finished.
Let him finish his story. Yeah, let him finish.
Oh, that's what.
What happened?
That's what the last time happened in Mbong, Sulu. Do you know who is the one person who do that ambush in our company?
Who?
That is, she I remember, I still remember the name. She is, right now, the one who always speak it to our president, Duterte. Remember,
Oh, okay. We don't know her name.
Just cut it out.
Yeah.
Let's cut it out. Yeah, cut it out.
See?
So she did it or whatever.
No, we need to show his name.
Name, guys.
See?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
No.
No. Da Vinci.
I should take it to check. Hold on.
God.
He is.
He or she? He. Jose Rizal?
No. No.
No. Oh my God.
Let's do 3 persons.
Emilio Aguinaldo?
No.
Tatay. I've been saying a lot of things.
I am 65 years old. Maybe I forgot something.
Okay, you forgot the
But
name.
I did not forget his name. Maybe I always see his name in the Facebook.
We're gonna look her name in the Facebook.
Oo.
Jose Rizal daw.
Then it's gone. Yung he took a while ago, he talked to President. He almost dying. He talked to the President in Malacanang. See?
I know who is she.
Oh, what?
He.
What? He.
He?
Oh, yeah.
Ninoy Aquino.
No, that's not. No.
1919.
It was 1974.
Ano, president or...
No, he was the one who fight about against the government 1974 in Maimbong Sulu. In Maimbong Sulu, the President Marcos declared the Balikbayan on that time.
Balikbayan.
Balikbayan that time.
Di ba si Enrile?
No.
Patay na,
No,
she's dead.
no.
Dead na siya, dead na. Tao.
Balikbayan on the time 1974 in Maybong Sulu. But in 1974, January, they set an ambush to our
Right.
company, to our battalion.
Presidente.
58,
No, that's fine.
58 PC battalion. That was before the president was President Marcos then.
Uh-huh.
President Marcos then.
So you having a girlfriend saved you, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
my
yeah.
girlfriend saved me.
Your girlfriend saved
Yeah,
you.
they were ambushed going to Holosulu for recreation and for foot patrolling.
So, okay.
Uh,
Tell me about your girlfriend then.
My girlfriend then, I was to marry her, but her father denied because her daughter, another daughter,
Getting married.
getting married to another. No. To another soldier, army.
Uh-huh.
What do you call him?
It's Suko.
Yung nagtanan. Ano mo sabi yung nagtanan? Yung they eloped
Uh-huh.
to another soldier, army.
Uh-huh.
But my proposal was denied
Uh-huh.
by their parents.
Okay.
So until we were removed to that Maimbong Sulu, and we were being reassigned to Sibuco, Zamboanga del Norte.
Uh-huh.
Sibuco, Zamboanga del Norte. Then that was a fine in my life. That was a fine in my life.
Okay.
But there is sometimes trouble about my co-soldier, troubling about the, I don't know their problem. So then we were transferred to Luzon. To Pampanga. What I call the Pampanga City. To Pampanga City.
Somewhere over
No. Sampanga pa. All my battalion. 58 PC battalion. We were transferred to Pampanga for yung retraining. Retraining police. I don't remember the name of the place. No, we were free. So, and then, after that 2 months, we were retraining, refreshing our schooling. We transferred to I transferred to Higaraw. Again, Bali. Then, I do my duty.
Your duty.
Yeah, my duty in Cagayan Valley for 6 months. Then I was transferred to Olongapo City.
Subic.
Subic. Hindi, not in Subic.
Na in Subic.
Not in Subic. In Iba, Zambales.
Sa baba?
In Iba, Zambales.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet, okay.
No.
Not yet.
In Iba, Zambales. I was transferred in Iba, Zambales. For the request of the military as PCS, yung security group of Subic. Security group of Subic. I was transferred and then.
Sarado.
This is my life true story, you know.
Yeah, you when you were 19 and a soldier.
No, not 19. I was 22 on then.
22.
22.
years old.
You want me to put that, maalala mo kaya?
I always remember at that time.
We can write it down later.
Oh.
We can write it down later.
So when I was in Iba, Zambales,
Uh-huh.
I was reassigned in Iba, Zambales. They put me in social, yung PCSD, Philippine Security, PC, PCSD, Philippine Constabulary Security Group in Subic. In Subic. Oh, so they bring me in PCSD in Subic. 164 Philippine Constabulary Group. That was then. Philippine Constabulary Security Group in Subic, Zambales. Yung Subic. Nagtrabaho ako doon sa US base. As a security group. Sumasakay kami sa boat.
And then
And then until then, my buddy,
your friend.
my friend
Yeah.
in Mindanao was drowned. Was drowned in Subic.
He drowned or someone drowned him?
He was fall down in the patrol boat. He was drowned. He was fall down in the boat and drowned. I was then.
He doesn't know how to swim?
Huh?
He doesn't know how to swim?
He know how to swim, but he is in full battlefield.
Okay.
You know, when I see him in the funeral parlor in Fernandez, his name was his boot was out. His one boot only was out. See, and his one boot was in his arm. So he was drowned.
And then?
And then, I'm sorry to you, my buddy. I'm sorry.
Where's your body?
Yeah, he is my buddy in Mindanao.
Best friend.
His name is Alivio. Alivio. PFCI. I was sorry for them. Because I couldn't help him. Because it was in the water. And not in the land. If he's in the land, maybe I can help him. I can fight with the other fighters. So then, that was the last time. I was also in the Olongapo. I was not yet acquainted with your mother.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But we're gonna get there, right? We're gonna
Until then, when I was assigned in what you call
Subic Bay.
in the Olongapo Detention Center. Detention. 164, and then not in 164 Olongapo Detention Center. I was assigned there. Detention. Yun sa kulungan ng 164 ng Olongapo. Sa munisipyo, I was assigned there. That was the time when I acquainted your mother.
Ano siya ba doon? Nakakulong si nanay?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi, you know, hindi
Nagtitinda siya.
nakakulong.
Nagtitinda.
I have a friend.
Yun.
I have a friend on that time. He was a girlfriend also. Staying renting in your mother's apartment. Yeah.
Is she rich back then?
I don't know if he is rich.
No, Nana, if she's rich.
Is she
No.
You said she has an apartment complex.
No, that her mother. You ask her mother.
Okay.
You ask her mother. I was then. When I see your mother then, he was young.
She.
What would you call it?
Carrying a baby?
Carrying a baby, mestizo.
How old is she?
Huh?
How old is she?
I think he is old months old.
No, she.
Oh,
Her.
I think she was 16 years old.
16
then.
years old and you're
16.
20. 16.
16.
Yeah. And then you're 24?
I was
20.
24 on that time.
You saw her
I saw her carrying
a baby.
a baby mestizo. I told her, is that your son? No, it's not my son. He's not my son. That's the only time I told her.
Who is the baby then?
Ay, Kuya Joseph.
Ah.
Kuya Joseph was the baby there. As my inspection, she is too young to have a baby like that.
Oh, of
because he
course.
was still young.
Oh shit.
Oh
Yeah.
no. But somebody told me that that the baby is not what's hers. It's not what's hers.
No, it's not hers.
Oh,
Okay, I
it's
got
not
it.
hers. I got it. Oh, it's not hers. So I caught him. Yeah. Oh.
And then
Then,
Did you ask a permission to her parents?
yes, I do.
You did?
Ask
did.
permission. Yeah.
To her mom and dad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I know she like me very much. Because she said to me she like a uniform man because I was in uniform.
oh, she likes the uniform.
Yeah, I was always in uniform on the time. Oh no,
God.
I was in uniform. She like it
Is
because
she pretty? And back then? Is she pretty?
for me she is pretty for me.
Oh, she's pretty.
I don't know if she likes me or she likes only my uniform or my affection.
Your
My
face.
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 Your outside look.
Oh, your outside look. I don't know that. Oh, but he admits me that he likes
She
me
admit it.
if I am in uniform.
Oh, but without the
Oh.
uniform, what did you say? Without the uniform?
And then not that
Not that yet.
Not like that
Oh,
yet.
not that yet. Okay.
Not yet.
Until the time, you know, until the time we have the Call of Duty, you know. We have the Call of Duty. When we got an operation in Subic, somewhere in Subic, I don't know the place.
Subic Zambales.
Subic, Zambales.
Yes.
Yeah. We got an operation regarding an ambush in my friends, about ambush in my comrades.
In Mindanao.
That was no,
No,
that was
Subic,
in
Zambales.
Olongapo.
Oh, that's another
That
one.
was in 1977. That was in 1977. That was where my comrades were ambushed. Two of them
Died.
were killed.
Yeah.
But before when they were ambushed, we got an operation. And we apprehend what we call the man who is always asking what happened to the ambush. I am the person who know that
ambush.
the ambush. And then when my friends come over, and I tell them just to listen what he is saying, what happened to the ambush. Then they confirmed it. I'm the one who is listening to them. He confirmed it. Then they get the men
Oh,
who are asking about the ambush. Then they bring them in to our outpost in what you call in our outpost.
Alam ka pa?
Not in Olongapo,
Sa sigsag.
no, yes, in the season, but what's the name?
Na... Pulot, ano yung pulot?
No, not pinulot. They bring the suspect back then. They bring them alive.
Alive.
And then our young commanding officer asked ask them to go to, and then our commanding officer asked them to go to Pinulot, where our yung
Ano, pinulot. Ano yun?
yung kanyang
Crossbow?
yung Kabgo soldier was died for the respect. Kabgo to go into one for this is not the tubig. For the respect for his death. Then you know, my co-soldier who told me to investigate about the ambush to ambush on that matter. Yang encouraged me to go with them to other barangay, to go with them because there's a lady.
Lady in barangay.
There's a lady in barangay.
But you with nanay already.
I have
Nanay.
I have promised to my nanay that I will go with him to see the movie.
Oh.
To see the movie on time. So I will reject I will reject the request to go to other barangay. I asked my my superior, master sergeant. He is only a master sergeant. I asked him, but he granted me not to. Si
So you can watch the movie with nanay.
Sergeant Silo. I remember his name. He was Sergeant Silo. He was older than me. He almost retiring.
Where is Sergeant Silo?
Maybe he's dead already.
Oh,
Because he is retired on the time.
retired.
Sergeant Silo. Then after an hour, we heard a bursting time, a bursting fire. Oh, and somebody came to us. There were an ambush on the time. So we come over to that.
So the place that you were gonna go to, they ambushed that place too.
Oh yeah, we got.
So you got saved by another girl?
No, I was in pursuit man to get that man because there was a navy truck was then ambushed then. Oh, on the time. So I am the first to reinforce the navy.
Sige. Bangal.
Huh?
Bangal.
Bangag.
Bangag.
Bangal.
I was then first to
Lugar na yun.
reinforce the navy.
Madunod po sino yun eh.
I got the navy. I got the navy in his blood. Oh,
Tinawagan sila, may ambusan doon.
The Navy's blood.
yeah,
All over
his
you.
blood. Yeah.
Oh my God.
All over from
You
head to
know, the
toe.
navy said, "How can I trust you that you are the reinforcement? How can I trust you that you are the reinforcement?" So he said to me, "I give you my hat, my person only. I'll give it to you." That. Tinapong ko. Oh, ganon. Then I get him. He's full of blood. Full, yeah. I get him. I go down to the creek and bring to the friend troops. I give him to the friend troop with his officer. Then after that, I go cross the road. I go across the road. I see that my fellow men died yung patay na. Oh.
On the road.
And on the road on the other
Side of the road.
other side.
Oh.
And the captain saw me. Sir, there's a gun. There's a gun on that. I put the gun 45 caliber in my wrist. Oh. There, but I see my comrades already dead.
Oh, your battalion.
Oh, no, not battalion, my friends.
Friends?
Oh, my friends, they are Sergeant Salem, Sergeant Fernandez, Sergeant, I think I forget the names. Eh?
You don't have to remember.
Lieutenant, First Lieutenant, I think, I forgot the name because I'm old, you know,
How old are you again?
65.
65?
Yeah.
That's the real age. What is the fake age then?
No, I was then, I was,
Huh?
I was then 45 or 50, something like that. I was then.
You're still young.
Still young, yeah.
Are you,
Then,
are you senior already?
35, no.
No?
I was then, I'm not married yet, you know.
Oh, you're not married to my nanay yet?
No.
No.
I was then 27, 28.
28.
27, 28. Yeah, that's my age. That's my age on the time.
28.
Yeah.
And then,
And then, after that, the ambush.
pero girlfriend mo na ako.
Yeah. And then the ambush.
Dapat,
We get married.
dapat, manunod tayo sinin yun.
Yeah.
Anong
We are going.
Kahit anong sinin, manunod
and,
kami.
and,
Kahit ang manunod sana kami ng sinin
we
yun.
are going to see a movie on the time. That's why
Do you remember what movie?
no,
Wala.
that's why
Manood pa lang.
I asked permission to my first Sergeant Silo, that I will go to
May,
Olongo proper to have my big girlfriend to see the movie. It is granted.
It's granted.
It was granted,
It was
yeah.
granted.
But that was already happened. The what we call the ambush was already happened. So then I marry her. I love you. That was the real of my life. I marry her. You know, on the time, who got the credential? Who got the credential of my yung sacrifice in that battle? It was a second lieutenant all staying in the office. He got the credential on that. And she was I just remember then Lieutenant.
Credential.
Yeah. Credential, you know.
wala na laman to na.
You know the credential. It was the badge for the military to get honor.
High rank.
He got the credit.
He got the credit
Instead
on
of
that.
you?
Yeah, instead of me, he got the credit. He was still in the office, and while I'm still in the front area, he got still the credit. So that is a graph about my superior, about young Lieutenant Colonel Venturina. Lieutenant Colonel Venturina, that was time on the time. It was.
So you didn't get any credit.
Maybe I did not. I
Why
didn't
not?
get why not? Because it was Lieutenant Colonel Venturina got give the credit to Lieutenant something.
They didn't thank you.
Oh. I recovered 45 caliber of my comrades.
Uh-huh.
Oh. I am myself give the 45 caliber to Lieutenant Colonel Venturina. I am myself.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So they gave the wrong person the credit.
1%.
The wrong person.
The wrong.
The wrong person.
Wrong.
The wrong person.
Yeah.
Yeah, they give the wrong person.
Uh-huh. It was supposed to be you.
That's to me.
Okay.
Lieutenant Venturina, he even said that, what is my name? What is my name? This I give the portable caliber to Lieutenant Colonel Venturina. Oh. Sometimes I will remember the name of the lieutenant. He have the small store. He have the small store in the beside the company building. Sometimes I recall her name, but sometimes I didn't.
Uh-huh.
That was the time, but is the truth. The truth. But it's the truth.
So tell me the story when you married Nanay.
I that was it was only link that I was married your nanay. That was happened when that at the time that was ambush in my life, in my corporate in Dinulupihan. I remember Dinulupihan. That was I remember that time I was ambush in Dinulupihan. I was courting your mommy. That nanay. That they asked permission to my first sergeant that I have to go to downtown to have what you call to have
As Nanay is a loving person. As Nanay is a loving person.
having what?
Loving person, masarap magmahal.
Masarap magmahal.
Si nanay.
I'm the what? Because I was the one courting her.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I don't know if he loves me.
But
Oh.
now,
But now,
iyak ka na.
he tried to kill me. He tried to kill me.
Why is she trying to kill you?
Why? Because every time I ask her
Oh.
proposal is not granted. She's not granted my proposal.
What proposal is it?
What he wants to say is, he should be the one. He should be the
Superior.
Superior.
Superior,
Oh,
oh.
I
She
am
wants to
the
be-
one who always down.
She wants to be the boss.
Oh, so yeah. I am always be the down, right? I always be the down. But I love her.
Uh-huh.
I love her. It's okay for me. Until now, maybe after my death, after my last life,
Then how many kids did you guys have?
a lot.
A lot?
A
Ala, do you
lot.
remember the name
Do you remember their
What
name?
name?
of your kids?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Arbel.
No,
you
starting from the top.
know.
The oldest.
The oldest?
Iron. Iron Nazareno.
Uh-huh.
Then, Art.
Uh-huh.
It derived from my name.
Oh, it's the
Even I prefer a name, but he's the junior.
Ah, but he got it from you. You're the name.
Yeah,
Oh,
he is only Art. I am Arturo.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
He is Art.
I know.
Art, yeah.
You got it from your name. I know. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
that's why. Yeah. Then April.
April. April is a boy or girl?
No, he is the request of your mother. Whatever he wants to come out on his
Is it April is a girl name?
No, you don't want.
Why you put April to a boy
No,
name?
your mother wants it. Everyone he comes out in her stomach. Maybe girl or boy. She wants April name.
April name.
Yeah, that's why. Oh, that's why granted. Oh, April name. But
after April.
name is a boy.
It's a boy.
Oh, when the baby comes out of her
So, stomach.
stomach, it is a boy.
Boy.
But she wants to be that boy an April name. Oh. Oh, what I can do? What can I do?
Because she's the boss.
Yes, the
Boss.
boss.
Oh my God.
She's the boss.
She's the emperor. She's the
Then
boss.
you know, April. Then Alan is the next. Oh,
What's the name? What's the full name of Alan?
Alan is the only Alan.
Alan?
He like it
He like it.
Like it,
why?
yeah.
Why she like
because
it?
it begins with letter A.
Oh, okay.
Oh, A, Annabelle A, and Karen. He's the boss. He wants it.
She wants all her kids to
Yeah.
start with the A.
I just follow her. Oh, then
Whatever she
Alan.
say.
And then another, and then
And
after
then not
Alan,
then.
after
Not then.
after Alan,
After Alan, you
after
know.
Alan,
After Alan, Alan is only 2 years old. You know, your mom said to me, "Want a baby girl?"
You another baby girl. She
I want a girl.
So what did you do?
What did you do?
Granted the wishes.
What did you do?
I granted her wish.
Oh. Oh my God. Why you
But
granted
the God,
her wish?
you know, the God gave us to us.
Oh.
God, praise the Lord. Oh, the God gave us to us.
So
He
when you
gave you.
Oh me. I'm the
Yeah.
Alan. Oh
He gave you.
what's my name?
Elaine,
Oh.
with the letter A too.
With another A?
Yeah.
Why another A?
Oh, because he want that
She
family.
wanted again.
She wanted that the letter A is in family intact.
Oh.
Family intact, you know what family intact?
She want a
Oh.
big family.
Oh. Oh.
after Alan,
After me, oh, she wants another one?
She wants another one.
Oh, she wants
She wants,
another one?
she wants to carry another baby.
She wants...
To carry another baby. You like it?
She like it?
I don't know. I told her. You like it? You like another one? Yeah, I like another one because I miss another baby. Oh. Then
So what did you do?
I
Again?
repack her.
What did you do?
I fuck her. Oh. Oh. Oh.
ay bakit sinasabi mo?
Ay, that was in the video, you know. Oh. Oh. What's the reason why? Oh. What's the reason why?
So who's that baby?
That was my pogi. You know, your mother
She
says
forgot
to
my
me,
name.
I want to care about a
He
baby.
forgot my name.
I want to care a baby. But she said, no gender.
No gender.
No gender. She wants to care a baby.
Duh, no gender.
No gender.
No.
You say? No gender, she says. Then I fuck her.
So you got another one.
Another one, she
many
got
kids
pregnant.
so how many kids do you have then?
Before you, About AJ. About Arbel. 6.
6. Oh. You,
I got.
after 6, are you planning another one after that Arbel?
No.
No? What about your wife?
About the Roy Pot.
Is she wants another one?
No.
Is she no more?
She didn't request me no more. She did not request me no more.
Why?
Because she was what you call that? It was feel so. She was feel hard. She was feel hard to. She was feel so hard to get pregnant.
Having hard time.
Yeah, it's hard time. She was feel hard. She was feel so hard on the time. So Arbel is the last.
One.
It's the last one. But you know, when your mom get going up Arbel, she's very what you call very hard to. She feels so pain.
Why she feels so pain?
Oh, she feels so pain because she feels so pain.
That's why you stop.
That's why I stopped with Arbel. You know the fuck that Arbel was coming out. The nurse push the force into the stomach of your mother like that. I saw it.
And then what did you do?
I cannot do nothing.
Why? You said you stopped doing that.
No, I cannot do because they are the one there's the one who going Arbel to come out.
Help me.
I just hear that your mama is shouting. Oh, I cannot do nothing in that because I'm not the doctor. I'm not the nurse. The time. Until the time after the mouth. And thanks to God. She is safe. Safe.
Who shape?
Safe
Shape?
S-A-F-E.
What shape is that? Circle?
Safe.
Oh, safe.
Safe. S-A-F-E. Your mom was
She's safe. Safe.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Your mom was safe. That was the last time.
Tulog na.
It is my,
Tulog ka
I
na.
want to share my
Your life story.
life story.
We're gonna write it down later.
Since then, when I was in 1974 as a soldier, Philippine Constabulary.
Also, we're starting over again. Okay, I got you.
Until then, I get drunk with my daughter, with my youngest son. I am very happy to see them because on the time, maybe if I will get myself thinking, maybe on the time I was died already. I'm died already. I will not meet your mother. I will not meet your mother to raise you.
Oh. So thank you to the first girlfriend.
The first girl.
Oh, thank you.
It is Sahara Abu Bakar.
Oh, thank you to Sahara Abu Bakar.
Oh.
Bubuhar.
Abu Bakar.
Abu Bakar.
Abu
Abu
Bakar.
That was in
Save your lives.
1974 in Membong Sulu. In Membong Sulu. 1974.
Oh, 1974.
Yeah. Maybe if somebody, my body is still alive, if my body is still alive, they can share videos. I don't know. Maybe they are all dead already. It's 65 years old. I am 65 years old. Maybe they are older than me. In Iloilo, I have also comrades on there. In Iloilo, Juan. I remember that. I don't remember. Maybe I'm old to remember that. I am here.
Upang bawat sandali ay